2020 Toyota Camry V6 TRD edition. What we got done on it for you guys and girls. It's got stock converters, one up there on the manifolds, one over there, one third one right there. You can tell it's still brand new. Got less than 3,000 miles on it. And he wanted a little bit more sound, not too much. So guess what we did? Took this sucker off, that resonator, and put a pipe in its place. It's about 4 feet long, 4 to 6 feet. And then we continued it 2 1/4 all the way back, stock. And then it comes with a TRD system right there. With, and right there. With 3.5-inch TRD tips. They have them on the side. Fancy. Toyota's becoming fancy. Anyways, Toyota Camry TRD. It's the Sport Edition. It's really nice. Got a little wing on it, spoiler. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. That's how you do a resonator delete on them. Not bad. Ah, it sounds really good. What do you guys think? I like it. Again. Sound decibels. Again. 109. Not too bad at all. Not too shabby. I like it. Just for a resonator delete, it sounds like that. Imagine if he does a muffler delete too. That'd be crazy. There it is, Toyota Camry. I like how they did that paint job on it too. Let's give it a really nice sport look. I like that. When it's idle, it's quiet. Not bad. Toyota Camry TRD. Nice. Hell yeah. We enjoyed working on it. It sounds really good.